In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Tradingview for free forever. We'll walk through how to stay on the free plan and still get real value from the platform's built-in features without feeling like you're missing out. Follow along, and by the end, you'll have a clean, reliable setup you can use every day at no cost. First, log into your Tradingview account. Use the web browser or the mobile app, whichever you prefer. Once you're in, double-check that you're on the free plan with no active subscription. You can confirm this from your account menu. It should clearly say free, and you shouldn't see any paid plan badge active on your profile. Next, open a chart. From the main navigation, select Chart, and you'll land on the standard single chart layout included with the free plan. This layout is perfect for most analysis, and it keeps things clean and focused, which is especially helpful if you're just getting started. To enhance your view, click the Indicators button at the top of the chart. In the public library, you'll find thousands of free indicators created by Tradingview and the community. Search for what you need, moving averages, RSI, volume tools, and add the free versions to your chart. If you see indicators with paid labels or plan requirements, just skip those and stick to the ones clearly available for free. On the left side of the chart, you have your drawing toolkit. Use trend lines to mark support and resistance, rays and horizontal lines to highlight key levels, and shapes like rectangles to box consolidation zones. The measurement tool helps you quickly check price distance and percentage moves. Tip: double-click any drawing to open its settings for color, thickness, or visibility, so your chart stays readable and consistent. Alerts are also available on the free plan. Click the Alert button on the chart, typically an alarm clock icon. Choose your condition, set the price level, and decide how often it should trigger. You can customize the message and choose the notification method that works for you. Keep in mind that the number of active alerts is limited on free, so prioritize the most important levels. When you're happy with your setup, save it using layouts in the upper area of the chart. Give your layout a clear name. The free plan has a limit on how many layouts you can store, so if you hit the cap, overwrite an existing one to keep everything tidy. And that's it. Keep logging in, opening your single chart, adding free indicators, using the drawing tools, setting alerts within the free limits, and saving your layout. You can keep doing this indefinitely without upgrading. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.